Most people pick the wrong budgeting app, and that's exactly why they still feel broke at the end of each month. I tested Monarch versus Rocket Money, and honestly, it was a lot closer than I expected. But one of them stood out for a reason that most people completely miss. So in this video, I'm breaking down Monarch versus Rocket Money. Not just the features, but what one actually works for real families trying to get ahead, and which one might be quietly holding you back. Because we've tried dozens of budgeting apps before, and most of them just made us feel worse, not better. I don't know about you, but for us, every time we tried to budget, it started the same exact way. We'd get motivated, we'd download the latest budgeting app on our phone, we'd set everything up, link our bank accounts, categorize every expense, and for like 5 days, we felt like we were on top of the world. We were like, this is it. This is the time we finally figure out how to manage our money. And then life happens. Work gets busy, kids need something, you forget to log in for a couple days, and before you know it, you're completely off track again. And that used to frustrate me so much because I thought the problem was us. But eventually I realized something very, very important. It's not that people are bad at budgeting. It's that most budgeting systems are actually way too complicated to actually stick to. There's too much friction. So if you've ever downloaded a budgeting app, use it for about a week, then quit, comment me below because you are definitely not alone. Now here's how we're gonna break this all down. We're not just comparing features because honestly, both of these apps are really good. Instead, we're gonna look through this with one lens. Which one of these budgeting apps are you actually going to stick with? So we're gonna compare the setup and onboarding, what it's like to use every day, and most importantly, the long-term results. Because let's be honest, at the end of the day, the best budgeting app isn't the most powerful one. It's the one you're actually going to use to manage your money on a daily basis. Because this is where most people either gain momentum or they lose it immediately. Round one, setup and onboarding. With Rocket Money, setup is honestly super simple. You connect your bank accounts, your credit cards, and within a few minutes, you've already started tracking your spending. It automatically categorizes your transactions, shows you where your subscriptions are, and gives you a clean overview right away. There's not a whole lot you need to think about. Now, Monarch Money is a little bit different. You still connect your bank accounts, but from there, it gives you a lot more control. You can customize categories, build out dashboards, set up rules, really tailor everything to your situation. And to be fair, that's powerful. And Rocket Money does have a lot of those features, but it also takes more time and it takes more effort. It's more friction to get started. So for being honest, Monarch does give you a lot of control, but Rocket Money gets you up and running fast. And here's the real question you have to ask yourself. When you're already busy, tired, and overwhelmed, are you more likely to stick with something that takes about 5 minutes to set up, or something that feels like another project? Because I don't know about you, but for most people, the faster you get started, the more likely you are to actually stick with it, to actually create a new habit. So when it comes to setup, onboarding, getting started quickly, Rocket Money is the clear winner here. Round two, daily use. Now let's talk about what actually matters most. What is it like to actually use these apps every single day? Because this is where most people fall off. With Rocket Money, everything is very straightforward. You open up the app and right away you're seeing your spending, your bills, your subscriptions, all in one place. It's clean, it's simple, and it's easy to understand. And most importantly, it doesn't feel like it's more work. You're not constantly adjusting things, tweaking settings. It runs smoothly in the background on autopilot. And for busy families, that's a huge win. Now, Monarch feels a little more like a financial dashboard. There's more data, more customizations, more options. And if you're someone who loves to dig into the numbers, that's actually a really cool feature, but of course, there's a trade-off. It requires more input from you, more attention, more effort. And for a majority of the people, this is where I think a lot of people underestimate something that's really important. If you're busy, you've got a job, you've got kids, you've got responsibilities, this is the exact moment where most people stop using a budgeting app altogether. Not because they don't care, but because it feels like one more thing that they have to do on their plate. So yes, Monarch does have more customization and deeper dashboards, but Rocket Money is more effortless, and effortless is what gets used. So for everyday use, especially if you're busy and you don't want to think about it, Rocket Money wins this round again. Round three, automations and control. Now this next part really comes down to personality. Rocket Money is all about automations. It tracks your spending, it finds subscriptions you didn't know you had, it even helps you negotiate your bills, even without having to do much. It's very much a set it and forget it type of system. Monarch, on the other hand, it's all about control. You can customize almost everything. Build reports, track your goals, adjust categories exactly how you want. And again, that's not a bad thing at all. But here's the truth that most people don't realize. More control does sound good until it turns into more work. So I'm curious, real quick, do you prefer something that's simple and automated or something that you can have full control over? Let me know in the comments, I read all of them. But for most people, the automation is exactly what makes Rocket Money the better choice here. All right, round four, really important, features. Rocket Money has some really strong core features. It tracks your spending automatically. You can change and customize the categories as much as you want. It shows you your subscriptions, and one of the coolest things is that it actually helps you cancel subscriptions or even negotiate bills for you, which we've personally used many times and it's saved us over $1,000, which, let's be honest, Most of us have stuff we're paying for that we totally forgot about. So that feature alone can save you money pretty quickly. Monarch, on the other hand, it goes even deeper. It has deep net worth tracking, long-term planning tools, custom reports, and a lot more flexibility in how you can manage your money. And if we're just talking pure features, Monarch actually might pull ahead in this category. But here's the part that most people miss again. More features doesn't automatically mean better results, because most people don't need more features. They need less friction. They need something that actually fits into their lifestyle, not something that adds more to it. But when you factor in usability and real life, it's so hard to give one of these an edge. So in this category, it's a tie. Round 5, long-term results. And this is the most important part of the entire video, because at the end of the day, this isn't about which app looks better. It's about which one will actually help you improve your finances. And here's what nobody really talks about. The best budgeting app on paper usually loses in real life, because the biggest problem isn't the tool, it's the consistency. Monarch is an incredible tool, especially for couples if you use it consistently. But that's a big if. Where Rocket Money, on the other hand, it's designed to reduce friction. It runs in the background. It keeps you aware of your spending without demanding a lot from you. And that's why it works so well, and why we personally have used it for over 5 years. Because consistency always beats complexity, every single time. And because of that, when it comes to real life results, Rocket Money is the clear winner. All right, round 6, let's talk about pricing. Let's first start with Monarch Money. Monarch Money, you can do a free week trial, and after that, it's going to be about $833 per month or $100 annually. If you pay monthly, it's a lot more, about $15 per month. All right, compared to Rocket Money does have a free version of the app. We originally started on the free version. I do have a link in the description for both these apps that you can check out and get the free trials for. But we outgrew the free trial pretty quickly because we wanted to customize the budget more and have a couple more features. So they basically have a pay what you think is fair pricing model, and it typically ranges between $7 and $14 per month. So you basically get to slide how much you think it's worth it to you and pay that amount. So again, both these apps have a free trial. Both the links are in the description. And if you want to pay up front, it's about $100 per year, which I think is completely worth it to have a full overall picture of your finances and help you manage your money on a monthly basis. So if I had to recommend just one budgeting app for all the people watching, it's Rocket Money. Not because it has the most features, but because it removes the biggest problem, friction. It's easier to start, it's easier to use, and it's going to help you stick to it and create new habits in your life. It didn't win in every category, but it won with the one that actually matters. And the best budgeting app, it's the one you actually stick to. Now, to be fair, Monarch is still a great app. If you love customization, if you're detail-oriented, if you actually enjoy managing your finances and want that next level of control, then Monarch might be a better fit for you. But for most people, simple wins. Hey, if you got value from this video, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps out our channel. And if you want to see my entire in-depth review of Rocket Money, you can go ahead and watch it here. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.